So I'm always looking for ways to come up with better ideas for YouTube videos, better ideas for the content that I create here on YouTube, following my proven top strategy of traffic offer people. Inside of affiliating, I have a roadmap. That roadmap starts with understanding the proven top strategy of traffic offer people, our 3 pillars, and it all starts with picking a topic, and then it moves into creating consistent content. These, of course, being YouTube videos. And to do that, one of the tools that you can use, or a tool that I just recently saw that you might be able to use if you can get past their waiting list, comes from a video over at Income School. This actually saved time and improved my videos, and I can finally show it to you. Ricky over at Income School was finally taken off the waiting list and was shown inside of this tool. It's called Spotter AI. I originally signed up for Spotter AI or Spotter Studio back when it first came on the scene, but it required you to have 100,000 subscribers. I went ahead and signed up anyway because I wanted to be on the waiting list. Then they sent me another email to try out Spotter Studio or Spotter Studio beta, but all of this did was put me on another wait list. There is a link, or you can go over to joinspotter.ai and you can be added to the wait list too. But I wanted to take a look at some of the tools to come up with better ideas that are already readily available so you don't have to be on a wait list. And then I want to show you the tool that I use. Of course, inside of YouTube Studio Analytics, they have the Inspiration tab. And inside the Inspiration tab, it is basically keyword research, but you can also see the new video ideas to inspire you. And you've seen here on the channel how I use this tab a lot of times, because the inspiration is for me to share the fact that a lot of these videos in the same niche that I am in really miss the mark. And so I show you what's missing in those videos, and I do my best to give you a proven strategy around what actually needs to be done. But going back to tools, we have on the scene that recently came out, 1 of 10. The pricing for 1 of 10 basically prices everyone out, or the beginners out of starting, because it's $49 a month or $349 a year. And just like Spotter AI, like I said, Spotter AI came on the scene and I was excited to see it. It's kind of like 1 of 10 when you get inside. It has that same feel, just like you saw over in Ricky's video. They are looking at outlier indexes, or they are showing you outlier videos that are performing well on other people's channels. And then you break them down and you analyze why they're doing well on their channel. And you try to look at it from an angle of, how can I take that information and make it do well on my channel? When we go back and we look at the actual top strategy inside of affiliating, we're focused down here on traffic. We have our topic. There are other people that are making content on that topic. And while we're making consistent content, we want to be doing research and seeing what is working well, because just like everyone else, we have to please the algorithm. It's just part of the game. So that's what these tools do. And Ricky showed that off because, again, Income School, over 200,000 subscribers. He was given access to it. He was able to partner with Spotter AI, and now he is able to let you, or he is able to tell you that you can join the Spotter AI waiting list, just like the waiting list that I joined. And then I got on another waiting list to hopefully get access to the beta program. And if and when I do, I will show that to you. But I wanted to break down the tools, and of course, starting with YouTube Analytics that we already looked at. Understand that the tools inside of Studio Analytics are great, and they provide you a lot of information. Actually, all the tools that are out there that you use actually use the information that YouTube allows them access to through their public API. We go back and we have 1 of 10. And again, 1 of 10, this whole idea is to boost your views by tracking millions of high performance videos. It's about looking at the videos that are out there that are performing well in your niche, or the same people that are on your topic, or that are making videos on your topic that are doing well. But again, the pricing there is for $49 a month and $349 a year. vidIQ, basically, which everyone's heard of, it is one of the biggest, if not the biggest tools, and it's for beginners. They've recently changed their pricing plans, and they have 2 plans. They have the Boost plan, which is $17 a month, and then they have the coaching plan, because they bought out a YouTube coaching and consulting firm, and now they provide that coaching. So if you buy their tool, you also can get their coaching for $99 a month. TubeBuddy, which is kind of like the direct competitor with vidIQ, they have 3 plans: Pro, Legend, and now the Enterprise bundle. The tool that I use that a lot of people don't really know about in this space, but again, it's targeted at folks like me and folks like you that are just getting started at YouTube, to do keyword research, to do analytics, or to help us break down what YouTube has given us, the information that YouTube has given us inside of the analytics. And then they also have a new niche spy tool, and Nico's put a lot of work into that. The pricing plans here are the basic plan and the price plus plan. The basic plan has a limited access option for the niche spy and keyword research tool. It's down here. You can see that you can get access for 24 hours up to every 12 days. So it's kind of like a rolling thing. I go ahead and pay for the plus plan because I want access to niche spy and keyword research all the time. And this is what the tool looks like. So you go to Morning Fame, you can see your channel, you connect your channel just like you do with all the other tools. And then you can see analytics report, keyword research, and niche spy. Click on the analytics report tab. It takes you into a strategy session. It shows you how each one of your videos are doing, and it gives you a score, and it rewards you with trophies, give you check marks, gives you more information about the algorithm. And really what it is, it's at a glance versus what you see over in YouTube analytics. This is gamifying and showing you, hey, these videos are doing well, these videos aren't doing so well, maybe you should try something else. Then you can walk through each one of these tabs. For example, you can go through and you can look at a strategy and you can see what is the recommended focus. I need to get more views. I need to get more watch time. I need to get more engagement. I need to try to get more subscribers. There's also an algorithm tab here. This is notifying you of search terms that pop up or things that people are searching for and they're finding your videos. Also, it breaks down each of the YouTube algorithms so you can really understand what all the other algorithms are or what all the algorithms are besides just the home screen and YouTube search and suggested videos, and it shows you how you're performing inside of that algorithm. You go back and then they have the keyword research tab, and that is essentially exactly what you think it would be. You type in a keyword, it gives you suggestions. Then when you choose that result, it's going to score your channel against that keyword, meaning it's going to grade you and say, you have a good chance of ranking in search for this keyword or competing against all the other channels that are out there making videos on the same keyword or this same topic. Then once you settle on a keyword or a title, then you get a relevance score here that also has a place to keep your description. It also gives you tags. It also allows you to enter your pinned comment. You can compare your thumbnail to the other thumbnails that are ranking, and you can also look at the sizes of those thumbnails. And essentially, you have a place here to add notes as well. Essentially what this becomes is this becomes a repository for you to store your videos and to track performance, because then there is a track tab which tracks your videos and sees exactly how they're doing against the video tags. Of course, it's using tags as a mechanism to look to see how well you are ranking for that term inside of search. So you have all that. But the big thing here, coming back to 30-minute marketing, for what we're looking at, like we saw over in Ricky's video over at Income School, the thing that's going to save you time and help you improve your videos is this outlier index and the tool, and the fact that the tool is utilizing AI to analyze your channel against what's going on with the competition. And of course, you can join Spotter AI's waitlist, and you can be like me. You can be on their waitlist. They'll send you a link maybe for their beta program and then put you on another waitlist, or you can join Morning Fame. There's a link in the description. And like I said, I use the plus plan. You do need an invitation code. That will be my invitation code. Without that, you won't be able to join. Simply click that link and or enter my invitation code and click join. Then after you join, you get the analytics report, the keyword research, and the niche spy. And that is the focus here today, is the niche spy, getting better ideas. So inside the niche spy, what you're doing is you're defining your niche. You're saying, what are other channels out there that are talking about the same topics that I am, and where do I need to focus to compete? And what Morning Fame does inside the niche spy, it gives you a list of related channels, and then you can select those channels. Then once you select those channels and you define who and what your niche is, or the competition in your niche, then you have the expert mode. Now, the expert mode has been around for a while, where you can see exactly what's going on, but now Nico has added, and Nico is the founder and creator and the person that maintains Morning Fame. He added an AI model, which the AI is now going to detect patterns. And again, you're seeing these outliers here. Burners, 1.8, most popular. It also identifies where in your niche this is, the inner circle, middle circle, the outer circle, and Nico explains all that. But you can see here that AI has detected patterns on topics or keywords or titles or things that people are talking about specifically in your niche. And all you have to do is click on one of these, and you can see here various strategies and methods for earning money through affiliate marketing online ventures. Here you can see that mine are performing really well. you can see it's a burner, and then I have other burners here that I'm comparing myself to, and then I can say what they're doing. I can take what they're doing, I can compare it to what I'm doing, and that is going to allow me to make better videos. And that is all a tool is doing for you. It is simply helping you take in all the data that YouTube already gives you inside of your YouTube studio that other tools can access once you grant them access to look at your data from your channel, and also the public data that is available through the API for everyone's channel to include yours. So then they can compare and contrast, show you the outliers, show you the 1 of 10s, show you the burners, show you the other people and what they're doing inside your niche based upon your topic. And then as you're creating consistent content, following the proven top strategy of generating traffic to an offer and adding people to an email list, we're utilizing these tools to find out how we can compete when we are creating that consistent content. And Morning Fame is a tool that I recommend. Of course, in step 2, I'm always looking at tools, tech, and time, so I'm always evaluating other tools, hence why I'm on the waiting list for Spotter AI. But it always comes back to me for YouTube Studio Analytics and Morning Fame. It's the one that I've been using since I started my channel. It's the one I like. It's the one I enjoy. It's the one for me that's always getting better. And that's why it's my go-to tool. Again, there's a link in the description with my invite code. Check it out. If you have any questions about Morning Fame, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.